Engarnelo districta kalo kata queen nyesi etorona eja utenelo ichwere Atotole ko districta elo mutosino akalo na itunga lukotem kalo kapujan ekumau na iponelo alomna taritunga aijep ikitoka no aichwe Atotole
abundera suro kino kito wedo otedo wanyu ni kwana wanyu to ni chani kede kuselo kwa mini
Gilbert Emugel nyesi erai ilo etem kapujan obu itorona aso mishoiti kwana kana ejai otemuke obala ebe ebuni amunar ekuselo ikwamin
ida rasa kilomita piltosi epote amunar ekuselo ikwamin nyesi chepa kopo kwa nejara ichana kolo isoda no sabuka unijaki de bailos lo mami chama kitere di otomada nejepa kito konye idumuni jobe ejepetetu ngikito eponeko
elo munitosi nung kanu abolobolo lo ejautene ko kalia etakitilo etem emuge
epedora rautichian konye bobo epoae nyentungane ne bolobolo yi anyini bi akiedo ketai ikiaona owaela dumuna pie
napakena emoto kale umuna Atotole ngu impound do ajukaro bero CPS ija kere bailos lumikito saje pio na eketo mbamu peka kena loipo asomo
Arabe ite tutubeke tot demo kapujane no konyi borena monare lawmakers they don't enforce the bylaws they make
ikota kirone nida retired Major Godfrey even Katamba nyesi obu otema ebe ejaskes kopani isomete to dolikin aisirareten na president loko Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kikamlaraka aichona Atotole obalada ebe ejai adishar ko districta kalo kata queen.
The aspect of charcoal burning is one of the executive order number 3 by His Excellency the President. He issued it 2 months ago. So therefore, since then, we have gone out as security to ensure that we operationalize or we implement the order of His Excellency the President. Kataku district was the highly affected also among the districts, especially Ongongoja sub-county and Guyabuye. But as we talk, there has been a drastic reduction in the transportation or in the charcoal burning itself.
Ejaskunda Geoffrey Omololo era apolona icholongolo kanyin ko districta kalo kata kui nyesi abala ebe tebekitosi kesi aso mishoit kwata natkana obu ichora kikansulon luko kwap aitolo muno ne kisila kanu ITG aso misho kwano
adoktat ne district itepegiti sakirono mamuda ikoto akoto nga elepi wa itini kera gyaono kwap engara no kolu otem aitolo muno kisile batamu kune bailo dawde sa idingo kisilangun yaunde so district asani nga iteso opero kisilingo la som angicho nkopane bitemo na kwati kapujan nare dunya skeda feri ala masibo bitunga ay dada ichwa Atotole ujitunga lesi ununo skedi motokan.
We have already heaps here that we have impounded. So far here we have over 1,000 sacks of charcoal at police. Others we took them to Moroto. They are not yet disposed of. We are trying to seek court orders to ensure that we dispose of.
ojala kisitonga ejepe kito iyata kisitonga aerai kito
obu aradisi katamba ili apugan awanyu niponesholu era unata itunga aito som gas kanu aiti dishare amuna munaona isuban edeke.
What I appeal to governments to ensure that we invest a lot in the alternative sources of energy so that the public is able to reduce reliance on the wood and charcoal as a source of energy.
Ikota kirone nida etemlo kapujan ka ongongoja nyesi kopana idilar aicheo na Atotole ko districta kalo kata kui. Kanuka TV is Francis Ochen ko districta kalo kata kui. Kanuka Etop Radio Francis Ochen ko districta kalo kata kui.